Hi and welcome to day 24 of the 30-day meditation challenge for beginners. I am Jade Bittersweet, and today we will work on a yoga breathing technique called Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati means shining skull in Sanskrit and is great for energizing the body and improving your breathing and circulation. The exercise is also great for training your abdominal muscles and get a flat stomach. Kapalabhati is an energizing exercise, and you should avoid practicing this technique if you suffer from high blood pressure or any type of heart disease or hernia. If you have other health-related conditions, you need to consult a yoga teacher or your doctor before practicing it. If you experience dizziness or headache with this exercise, stop the practice. So sit in a comfortable meditation posture with your back straight. Roll back your shoulders to open your chest. Before you start, you need to experiment a little to make sure you know how to do it. We are going to exhale in small rapid movements. You are going to push out the breath using your abdominal muscles. In between the exhalations, you will relax your muscles, causing you to inhale automatically and passively. So take a deep breath and then hold your breath. Now start pushing out the breath as 20 small cough-like exhalations. Only use your abdominal muscles and contract the muscles in small, rapid, fast movements for each exhalation. So let us start the practice. Inhale deeply, and then do your first round of Kapalabhati. Then breathe out fully. Breathe in deeply, filling your chest and abdomen. And breathe out fully. Now rest for a couple of seconds before proceeding, breathing naturally and calmly. Then do your second round of Kapalabhati. Inhaling deeply. Then breathe out fully. Breathe in deeply, expanding your chest and abdomen. And breathe out fully, releasing stress and tension. Now take a moment in silence and rest for a couple of seconds, breathing calmly and naturally. Then do your third round of Kapalabhati. Inhaling deeply. Now breathe out fully. Breathing in deeply, filling your chest and abdomen with fresh, cool air. And breathing out fully. Rest for a couple of seconds, breathing calmly and breathing naturally. You will only have to do these 3 rounds, and that is all for today. You can adjust this exercise if you found it too difficult to do. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.